Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's been a while since the Corvette's been on the channel. No, it hasn't been forgotten about. I've actually been getting a little bit of work done on it now, but I realized that I was filming a bunch of Mustang videos trying to get caught up with this whole YouTube thing that I didn't realize the garage door was open and the color of the Corvette, which I've been keeping a secret from YouTube, but if you follow me on any kind of social media, you've already seen it, was just in the background the entire time. So I have to film this real quick and go ahead and do the color reveal on the Corvette Widebody project. I only did the quarter panels just because I was so anxious to see what this color looked like, and I'm painting the entire car myself, much like I did with all of the Mustang parts. I wanted to spray them, go ahead and clear them. I do still have to wet sand and buff them because I don't have a paint booth. So I usually spray outside, weather permitting, and of course you're going to get a little bit of trash in your clear coat. I'm going to put you guys down for a second. I'm going to bolt one of these quarter panels on, just put it on there, put one bolt in to hold it, just so you guys can see kind of the look I'm going for with the car, I guess. I'm pretty excited about this. The Vette's been on the back burner just because I've been concentrating on the Mustang. Let me go ahead and give you a quick walk around of what the car looks like right now. If you've watched the other videos, then you kind of know what's going on. We are taking a 2006 base model C6 LS2 6-speed car and doing the ACI wide body kit, front and rear fenders, the 06 front bumper. We picked up some 20-inch Stance SF01 wheels. They are rotary forged wheels, so kind of lightweight. We are going to be doing aftermarket headlights and taillights in the car, and we are doing a complete color change on both the exterior and interior. The interior, for the most part right now, is gutted. I've got some pieces just laying in here. The wide body kit is fitted. The headlights are removed. This is OEM's 06 front bumper. I'm going to put you guys down to not ruin the color yet. I'm going to kill the color just for a minute. Alright guys, so I got it bolted on real quick, so without further ado, I know a lot of people like the orange that was on it, but I just wanted to make this car something completely different than has been done before. So we are in the process of completely changing this to Toyota Voodoo Blue. I think it's going to show up a little bit like bluish purple on camera, but it is a very, very saturated blue. I went ahead and threw the halo back on. I completely repainted it as well. And I threw the wing on here just so you can kind of see the look that we're kind of going after. This is what it looks like. I could not be happier with this color choice. I looked and I wasn't able to find any other Corvettes that were ever painted this color. Hopefully I'm the first. If not, no big deal. If you already painted your Vette Voodoo Blue, you've got really good taste. That is pretty much what it is going to look like as far as paint color goes. I also went ahead and sprayed the coil covers, fuel rail covers, whatever you want to call these. And this is the other quarter panel as well. It is in need of a good cut and buff, but that is what it is going to look like, and I cannot be happier. So I know this video is kind of all over the place. I just wanted to give you an update and make episode, I don't know if this is like 8 or 9 of the Corvette Widebody project, but there is progress being made, and my deadline for the car is the Corvette Expo in March at the LeConte Center in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I think it's the first or second weekend in March, maybe the third. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody there and kind of officially, I guess, revealing the car at an event, which is going to be pretty cool. We are not keeping this black or the bumper black. Everything is going blue except for the halo, the wing. I'm iffy on the mirrors. While we're on here talking, what do you guys think? Should we do the black mirrors with the blue, or should we go ahead and do them body color? The headlights, I was going to do black with Voodoo Blue trim rings. which are already done. However, we are going to go ahead and put, I believe, the C7 Morimoto headlights in it. They just look better, they work better, it's better technology, and I think overall with the look of the car, it's just going to fit the overall theme of the car better than if I just keep the stock headlights in it. So in the comments below or in the Facebook group I share this to, what do you guys think of the color choice? Follow me on social media, follow my Instagram, which is right here. If you click the link in the description, it'll take you there, and there'll be progress pictures of the car that I just don't post to YouTube. But what do you guys think? Do you like the color choice? Do you not like the color choice? Would you rather me kept it a factory Corvette color? I know the Corvette purists are probably going to be mad that I'm changing this, but I build cars for me because I drive them, and I just have a vision of what I want this car to look like. I have a vision of what I want this car to be, and I take pride knowing that I learned the skills that I needed to build this myself. I learned how to paint, use that term loosely, but I wanted to be very hands-on with this build. I didn't want anybody else building this car. Now, it will come to some point that I am going to have to get help from other people, but there are a lot of people that's already helped me, and I'd like to say thank you to those people. You know who you are, that have taught me how to paint, answered all the questions I've had, and just overall been a really good support system for me building these cars. So guys, if you don't care, go down below, hit that big thumbs up button. Apparently it does help these videos out in some way, shape, form, or fashion. I guess there's this algorithm thing that apparently if you like the video, it kind of helps it get seen. And I'd like to hit 4,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I think we're about 450 away. So that brings me to the next point. Go hit that big red subscribe button down there. I think it's like 97% of you guys that watch my videos don't subscribe for whatever reason. Put that reason in the comments below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, and I will be glad to change some stuff to get you guys to stick around. So I'm going to end that video here. I'm going to go edit this real quick and put it up before the other videos go live, because like I said, I ruined the color reveal in one of the Mustang videos. So that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.